Hello and welcome to the Biological Inquiry Show. Today we will learn about the rare genetic disorder known as mitochondrial depletion syndrome, or MDS for short. I hope this video is informative and gives insight into its medical implications as well as its connections towards cellular respiration. First, we must answer, what is it? MDS, to put it simply, is a rare genetic disorder that limits the number of mitochondria in your cells. Now, the reason this happens is due to its tracings back to genetic mutations, meaning that it can be hereditary, passed from parent to child, but also develop within the early embryo. In order to get a proper diagnosis, doctors have been able to identify this disease primarily through genetic testing via blood, though historically needed a liver or muscle biopsy in order to confirm its presence. This disease can usually be seen within the first 2 years of a child's infancy, but can still develop for teens and adults with milder effects. Now, the locations it can affect include the muscular and gastrointestinal systems, the brain, and the liver, with some symptoms being developmental aggression, which is when a child loses their maturity and ability to work independently, hypotonia, which is the decrease in muscle tone, seizures, which is a sudden electrical disturbance in the brain, epilepsy, which is a disorder that causes seizures, difficulty feeding, which is a lack of interest in eating, and liver function impairments. Now, there isn't a way to cure MDS, but there are ways to treat it through therapies. One being the targeting of specific genetic causes in clinical trials. Another broader therapy can be the increase of mitochondrial content within the cells. And in the case of a mitochondrial enzyme deficiency, mitochondrial supplements will be taken. With all this in mind, we can connect this disorder to less ATP being produced and the reliance upon anaerobic respiration due to fewer mitochondria, which is needed in the Krebs cycle and electron transport chain, meaning that the more inefficient glycolysis will be used. I hope this video was informative and be sure to have a great day.
Walking on fighting side of me.
That don't look like it.
It don't. It don't go down.
Robert, it goes down.
No, it don't.
It do go down.
Oh!